It's your girl Sharae, and today I will be showing y'all how to do your eyebrows. Eyebrows on fleek. Not right now, but you'll see. What you will need is this Nair face cream and one of these little things. I forget what they're called. Or a Q-tip, but I like to use this. Time for this Nair. Just open that thing up. This do not smell too pleasant, I will tell you that. This is what it look like. It's like a light pink. And I like to use the bottom of this little brush. You don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. And you just want to do your finger like this. And then put that thing on there. Now you want to wait 5 minutes. After your little timer go off or whatever, you want to get you your washcloth or just some tissue so you can just wipe it off. I'm just gonna use tissue. Just wipe that thing off. That thing stank. Ooh. That's it. And I know 5 minutes may not be enough time, so just don't exceed 10 minutes and you will be perfectly fine. And your eyebrows, they may be a little red above it, but that is because you are removing the hair, so that is normal. But this is how they look. They look pretty good to me. I don't have any complaints. You can get this at the store. That's where I got it from. I got this from Kroger. So, yes.